Get your aprons on. We're about to make some holiday magic with a stuffed chicken. First things first, look at the fricking chicken. Give it a good rinse and pat it dry. Now let's make our stuffing. Grab some breadcrumbs, chopped onions, celery, and a sprinkle of holiday spices. Mix it all together like you're making a delicious edible snowball. Next, gently stuff that mix into the chicken's cavity. Don't overstuff. This isn't a suitcase. Now, tie the legs together with some kitchen twine, like you're tucking it in for a cozy nap. Rub the outside with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pop that bird into the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1.5 to 2 hours. A trusty meat thermometer should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit when it's done. Let it rest for 10 minutes before carving. Voila! You've got yourself a juicy, flavorful holiday stuffed chicken. Serve it up and bask in the compliments. Happy cooking, everyone!